Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 25th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and this binary. And this binary will be number 6335. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, it's a shocking information for you. 35 printed digits. It's a record, yes. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Oh, sorry, made a mistake here. Well, this can be now. Oh, made a mistake. Double 1 here, no there, no. So where's the mistake here? Here. This should be a 1 here. Okay, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. This should be a 1. Then the puzzle is complete in 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We solve it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, publisher, we need more puzzles, not more than 35 printed digits. No. Need more puzzles with less than 20 printed digits. Yeah, less than 20 printed digits. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.